Hi, I'm Joe. I'm from the Model Train Bockshop. Today we have an example of a Lionel 9E Build o-Loco, which was manufactured by Lionel in approximately 1925. It has some very unique features in that the base plate can be easily removed, exposing the motor and running gear. It can also be placed back on and retightened, and it runs like so. It's a very rare piece because it was designed to be easily taken apart. It came with a set of passenger cars which were also orange. Some of these engines were designed and came with leading and trailing trucks. This one does not. They had latch couplers. There were basically 3 different or 4 different color configurations: a two-tone green, a gunmetal, and the orange, which we have here today. Some of the detail on it are the brass fittings on the top, which represent lights, the electric pickups, handrails. Doors were done in brass. There is another variation of this that has a shorter roof, different roof line. Front and back, again, brass detailing on the orange, handrails. The flag stanchions had flags originally, but over the years most of them have been damaged or lost, and you don't see them too often. That's an example of a tin plate engine from the 1920s. What I have to my right is an example of about brass construction from about 1960 or thereabout. This is a handcrafted brass model of a P5 modified for the Pennsylvania Railroad. HO as opposed to standard gauge. It's a much smaller piece. This was manufactured in Korea by a company called Alcoa, and is an example of more modern brass construction. Very highly detailed. You'll see, notice grab irons, steps, the catenary, detail on the side trucks, scale couplers. What you have here are examples of a mass-produced toy train and an authentic replica of an engine that actually ran on the Pennsylvania Railroad. It's made for enthusiasts today that are reaching for realism, and these are made for people who just like to play with toy trains.